Hey guys, welcome to Thrifty Thursday. So this week I wanted to do a quick DIY, super quick, super easy, that you're going to love. So I showed you sometime last year, I can't believe I've been doing this for over a year now, but a way to do pillow covers. But I found an even simpler way that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so all you need for this is a lumbar pillow. So you can get these at a lot of the stores. I picked one up at Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's just the insert. This one is a feather one. You can do the polyester fill. Feather pillows are nice because they can be fluffed up easily and they keep their shape better. But you can go with any style that you want, but you want a lumbar size, okay? Not the square size, the more rectangular shape. So you need that. You need a dishcloth that you like the pattern with. So this is just simple. I picked this one up at the dollar store. You can get really cute ones at Marshall's and HomeSense, or Winners and HomeSense. Has really nice styles. You know how you can get like the Halloween ones now, or the Christmas and the plaid. They have really nice styles that you can get there for a couple of bucks. And you want to get a dishcloth because it's the rectangular shape that you need for the pillow. Other than that, the only thing you need is a glue gun. And the type of glue that I'm using, regular glue I think would work fine too, but I picked up this kind at Walmart because it says that it bonds to fabric. And so that's why I picked up this one. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take our dishcloth and we're going to fold it lengthways over the pillow. Okay, and that's going to become our pillow cover. We're going to put our pillow insert aside for now so we can do the outside edges. So you're going to match up your corners of your dishcloth so that it's all even. I'm going to start on the small side over here. We're going to start gluing here where the corner of the material meets, not up here where the joint is, because we want to make sure that our corners are even. And sometimes if you start gluing here and push down, you can get one that overlaps the other. See that? So that's why I'm going to start right here at the edge. I'm just going to take my glue and I'm going to glue it right along the seam in what's supposed to be a straight line. I'm going to start gluing down here, match up my corners, and just press the edges together ever so gently. Just like that. Okay, you got one edge done. Now I'm going to take the other edge, do the same thing, the other shorter edge. I'm leaving the long edge to put the pillow in. Again, I'm going to match up my corners. I'm only now realizing that I'm using the glue gun with my left hand and I'm right-handed, which is why this glue is going on in zigzag and not straight. But we're going to match up those corners and the edges and just pat it down gently because you don't want any glue to come out. Okay. Alright, so now you have your pocket made. We're going to take our cushion insert and insert it. Didn't I tell you this was easy? If anything starts to come unglued on the ends, no big deal. More glue, nice and secure. Okay, looks good. Now we do our last part. So we're going to do the same thing in the glue, and in order to get the edges, we're going to just put in our pillow so we can get the edges straight to glue them across. I'm going to use my right hand this time. And for this part, glue. For this part, just use little movements with the glue gun so you can make sure you're getting it even the whole time. And another idea for this long end is you can pick up some Velcro. These are self-adhesive Velcro tabs that you can put on if you want to take the cover off again and to wash it or anything like that. So that's the other option. So just add a little bit there. Match up my edges. Seal it up. These striped ones, I have plaid one there too that I can use for Christmas time. They'd look cute on a bed as accent pillows, or on your sofa or your bench. It's just a really quick, easy way to do an accent pillow. And it's honestly the easiest way I've ever seen. No sewing required, which is nice. And you can get dishcloths anywhere, so it's not even like you'll have trouble finding material for them. So just little squirts all along. It's nice and even. Try not to glue your fingers. If you're like me and tend to use a glue gun a lot, you probably don't feel the tips of your fingers anymore. And your last quarter. Beautiful. I scored a at that time, but that's okay. Let's just clean it up. No big deal. All right, let that set. There's your pillow. Ta-da! There is our dishcloth pillow.